Hello friends, I would like to tell you about a monopod for GoPro and other action cameras. Its main advantage is a telescopic design. It allows the camera to be fixed at a different distance from the installation place. The design has two types of mounting, a 2-to-3 connector and a threaded mount with a quarter thread. Several connections ensure accurate camera settings. A 2-to-3 connector, a swivel unit of the upper part, bottom tilt unit and a swivel unit of the adapter. The design consists of the camera holder, telescopic tripod of the adapter, which can be fixed into any BORIKA fastened mount. The design is made of anodized aluminum tube and fiberglass reinforced polyamide parts. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I am their creator, inspirer, and active user.